Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel DIY. Today I'm going to work on this Jeep Grand Cherokee. I'm going to change the 6 spark plugs on it. It has a misfire in cylinder 3. I already scanned it and found there's a misfire. This is a Jeep for my friend. She came from Moose Jaw to Regina. So let's get to it. So we'll pop up the hood first. To start with, we have to remove the engine cover air box, and I think we'll have access to the 3 spark plug on this side, and on this side there are another 3 spark plugs that I think we'll have to remove the air intake manifold and other things. So let's get to it. First we'll start by removing the cover. So we'll start by removing this small cover here. Just pop it out and place it on the side, and there's a 10mm bolt here. Just remove it. And remove the oil filler cap. Just pop this out. Just like that. Put the filler cap back so that dust doesn't get in. Next we are going to remove the easiest part. So we remove this air box. There's a 8mm bolt here that we have to remove, and one more here. So start by unplugging the sensor. So use a small flat screwdriver. There's a small tab here, right? Just press and pull. Here. It's very fragile, so make sure you don't break it. So we press and pull at the same time. Here we have access to one bag of the engine. So I think it's number 2, 4 and 6. Cylinder 2, 4 and 6. We have access to cylinder number 1, 3 and 5. We have to remove this manifold intake, and for that we have to unplug these sensors, wiring, and there will be some nuts and bolts that we have to remove to get this out. Press this right tab here and pull backward. Next we'll have to undo these nuts. Next we need to get this plastic holder for the wires out. There's a clips here. You can use a plastic pry tool or like a flat screwdriver. Okay, it's out. There's this bracket over here, this metal bracket that's holding this plastic rod. So we have to remove the 10mm bolt, and there's a 10mm nut here. Now we can get this out of the way. So I remove this nut over here. As you can see from the camera, there's one nut here that I removed, one here, one for the support bracket, and now we're going to move out the support bracket, and there is one nut behind here. Just step back, and this is out of the way now. Now we can proceed to remove the intake. Next we have to remove the bolt on this bracket right here. There's one behind the dipstick, and there's one over here these are 10mm bolts, so we have to remove these 2 bolts and remove this connection here. You have to press on it and push it backward, and then we are pretty much done on this side. Then we'll go on the other side. So I'm just gonna do it. This cap from here, just pull it out and have access to the bolt here, and here I removed it, and I also removed this pipe here. You just need to press on the drain here and push it backward. So we'll leave it here for now, and we are going on the other side. So we are going to remove this line and put it aside, and we are going to remove the 8mm bolts. We have 1, 2, 3 on top, and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. You pull this up, and there's a clips here. Just pull it out just like that, and we'll put it on the side here. This one, there's a clip here. You push it inward and press on it and pull outward. This will come just like that. Leave it here for now, and we'll remove the 8mm bolt. Now we have all the bolts out, so I think we can just pull out the manifold. So we are going just to put some towels here so that no debris gets in. Just like that, we just pull the coil pack out. 1, 2 and 3. Next we are going to remove the spark plugs. First one is out. Second one. Next we are going to put the new spark plugs. Just make sure you don't change the cap of this spark plug over here. And we'll start from the 5th cylinder. Carefully drop in. Tighten it by hand. And to tighten it, just do a little bit snug, not too tight. That's enough. Next we are going to put back the coil pack. This one too, we don't tighten it too much, just snug. Put back the wiring connector. You should hear it clips, and press on the gray tab to lock it. And just like that, we are done on this side. Now we are going to do on the other bank. Always inspect This coil pack, there's no cracks. This one looks good. And just like that, we are done with the spark plugs on both sides. And now we are going to put back the air intake and the rest of it. Just a reverse process now. So now we're going to remove the towel here. Put back this cushion over here. Put back the intake manifold. Now we are going to tighten the bolt in a crisscross pattern. So we'll start from the front, back, just like that. Okay, all the bolts are tightened, so now we are going to put back this line. Just push and it's clicked. It's good. Right here. This one goes in here. Good. One fits right here. And this goes in here. So we are pretty much done on this side. Now we are going to do the back side. Put the vacuum line that was here. This one. Just pop in until it clicks. Good. Now we're going to put these two bolts here and continue with the front. Okay, I put back the two bolts here and the pipe, the line here. So put back this cover. Just like that. Next, I'm going to put back this actuator here, all the 3 or 4 bolts, and complete the front. Okay, I put back all the 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3 and 4 here, and now I'm going to put this bracket, and I think I'm pretty much done. So I put the bracket, put back this plastic thing that holds the cables here. Now I'm going to put back all the sensor wires, clips. This one goes over here. Now I'm left with just airbox. Okay, now all done, so we'll just start the car and we'll see if everything runs smoothly, and finally we'll put the engine cover back. Okay. It runs much better than before, so we'll leave it let it run for a bit, and then we'll just run a scan on it and see if everything is good. Okay guys, I put back the engine cover and I'm going to take it for a test drive. I'm pretty sure everything is fine. If anything wrong, so I'll make another video on it. Now I'm going to take it for a test drive. So guys, if you like the video and if the video was helpful, please like and click the subscribe button if you haven't, and also if possible share the video. Thank you. On the next one.